Hey farms, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we'll be talking about YouTube revenue update and how much YouTube paid me for 600 views. I've got two videos here, which I got 600 views in. Each of these two videos is a days in my live videos, and let me show you how it varies. How much you earn from YouTube varies a lot. So the first one, 600 views. I got 602 views. I will click on it, and yeah, so as I click on it, it's showing me how it ranks. Okay, ranking in views 2/10. Then for the views, I got 602 views. A lot of people love to watch how much YouTube paid me views, how much YouTube paid me videos, how much revenue update. People love such content. Okay, so I also have video that I have uploaded where I talked about how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 view. I also have another one I talked about how much YouTube paid me in my other channel, and I brought it in this channel. I will leave them in the description box too, where to watch them if you've not watched them. So for this video we're talking about, I got 600 views in two videos. This one particular is 602 views. And for the impression click rate, let's take a look at that. I just clicked it and I'm waiting for it to download. For the impression click rate, how did people find this video? Viewers find this video through YouTube recommendation. A lot of them got to see this video through YouTube recommendation, and which is giving me about 551 views through YouTube recommendation. You can see that YouTube recommendation is very important. When you upload videos and your videos, YouTube get to recommend your videos, you're going to get more views from that. Okay, so through channel page, just only 15 people get to find this video through channel pages, and through notification, just 10 people. Other YouTube features, 9 people, and others. Okay, so this is how people get to find this video. So for the reach, let's click the reach and see. For the reach impression, this video got to be seen by 12,600 people as they were scrolling through their YouTube page. Okay, so 12,600 people scrolled through their pages, as in they saw this video. So but not everyone clicked, and that is why the view is about 600. Okay, but this video was shown to 12,600 people. So from how viewers find this video, browse features, suggested video. Let's click and see the suggested video. Videos that get to suggest this video through browse feature, channel pages. As I was saying before, let's see the videos that suggested this video. Says don't miss out of this. Another one is like written in Chinese, Heartbeats Nigeria, and another one is my video, and I am excited. My video is one that also suggested, which is Days in My Life of a Nigerian YouTuber. Another one that suggested was Ghana vlog, but at least my video was there that also had to up to suggest this video. So one thing I want to say is, if you do like series, your video will be among the video that is going to suggest. Okay, because this is like series that I do in my channel talking about introverts, days in my life as an introvert. Okay, mother, so for YouTube search, Nigerian vlog, living in Nigeria, these are the search terms that people use to find this video. So let's go over to the engagement. How did people engage this video? It is very good. We got about 24.8 more than usual, 4.8 more than usual, and 24.8 watch time hours, which is a very good one because it hit that green tick. I will leave the screenshot for you guys to see. So it gave it that thick green like that, and that shows that it's a lot of people engaged on this video very well. And the graph is very good. Okay, from 0 to 20, you know, so it's not a bad one. Okay, yeah. So for audience, let's take a look at the audience. Returning viewers 142. The age group that watch this video, they are from 25 to 34. Then we got 35 to 44 years. These are the age group that watch this video. For the gender, majority of my gender is female. Female, female, female. So what does that tell you? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Yeah, so top geographical region, and this geographical region is going to be like, it's part of what is going to tell how much you're really going to earn in YouTube. It's going to, because the area where people watch you from matters a lot, or when it comes to your revenue, you know. So a lot of people that watch this video came from Nigeria. Thank you so much, all of you guys that are watching me, supporting me all over from Nigeria. And after Nigeria, we have United States of America. Yeah, thank you all my people, everyone that has been supporting this channel all the way from United States of America. We also have UK. So thank you so much, everyone that has been watching my video all the way from UK. And so many people, a lot of people that watch this video, there are people that did not subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you are watching up to this point and you are not subscribed to this channel, subscription is absolutely free. You don't have to pay to subscribe. Please subscribe. Press the subscription button down there. Put it into all, so that whenever I upload any video at all, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up. Okay, so yeah, so, and also my subscribers. So for the subscribers, my own subscriber that watched this video is about 57.2%, while those that were not subscribed and are not subscribed are 42.8%. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to do that. Okay, yeah, so this is just it. So let's move over to the revenue. How much YouTube paid me? How much did I earn from this video? Yeah, so from this video, a lot of people, the earning type that I got was from skippable video ads. From skippable video ads, I got 64.5%. Okay, while from not skippable video ads are 15.1%. That's why I'm wearing my eyeglass, because I need to see very well. 15.1%, while bumper ads 14.0%, and displayable ads just 6.3%. These are the ads. So basically, the earnings and the revenue of this video, of this particular video, came from YouTube ads. And also, how did I make money? I make this money from watch page ads. Watch page ads, that's about 99.7%, while YouTube Premium is just 0.3%. So a lot of this revenue from this video came from YouTube ads. Okay, just 0.3% came from the premium. All right. So for the graph, this is how it looks like. I'll leave it here for you guys to see. And how much YouTube paid me. Finally, for how much YouTube paid me, we have our CPM. CPM is what the advertisers are paying. Okay, so after the CPM, we go to RPM, which is how much YouTube is going to pay me after they have finished removing theirs. Okay, so for the CPM, the advertisers paid for this video is 5.08. okay, €5.08. While for my RPM, YouTube is giving me, say, revenue for every 1,000 view. For every 1,000 view, I will be paid €1.19. Yes, €1.19. Yeah. It's not that much. It's not much. So that is it. So it's not that much. I wish I got 1,000 view. I would have had €1.19. So I don't know. What is YouTube doing? Why YouTube not a push video? YouTube need to start pushing this video so that we keep making the money. So finally, what you all have been waiting for, how much YouTube paid me. So I got 602 views, which finally gave me my estimated revenue, which is 0.72 cents. That is how much I made, guys. I made 0.72 cents from this video, which we are talking about, you guys. So let's move over to the other video analytics. I told you I want to talk about how much YouTube paid me for two different videos that I got 600 views. So this one is 602 views. The other one, let's see, is about, the last time I checked, it was 610 views. Let's see how many views it is right now. Now it is at 611 views. So for let's click it and let's talk about it also. So for 611 views, this video click-through rate, let's see its click-through rate. People that clicked, okay, about the click-through rate is audience 10.3% audience retention. And for the reach, it got the impression, a lot of impression, as in it's 16,600 people saw this video, not like the other one. Okay, it was lesser, it was about 12,000 if I can remember vividly. So for this one, it got the impression of 16,600 people that saw this when they were scrolling down there, you know. For our viewers find this video from browse feature, suggested video, channel pages, and others. From browse feature, 74.8. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me just be fast about it. For suggested video, it was 18.3%. channel pages just so low, 2.6%, and others 2.6, and others 1.5%. So content that we're suggesting this video, let's see if we are going to find my video there. You know, the other one, we saw my video there. One was I don't know, this one is blah 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 blah. I really don't know what is that one. For the second one, it was my video days in my life, 3.5%, which is a very, very good one. Okay, others I don't know, there are other videos there also. A good thing is that my video is also among them. For the engagement, let's see, we got watch time hour 21.9, which is a very, very good one. Take a look at that. 21.9, and it's thick green like that, you know, so it's a very, very good watch time. Okay, yeah, 100% days in my life, and the channel pages, and yeah, so it's a very good one. 20 points. Anyway, let's go over to our audience. I didn't talk about how many subscribers I got from the other one, but for this one, I'm going to show you guys. For the subscribers, I got 2 subscribers from this video, which is not a bad one. Okay, and for the age group that watched this video, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, these are the age group that watched this video. And a lot of people that watched this video came from Nigeria, United States, and Italy. Yeah, so these are the people that watch this video. So let's quickly go over to the revenue, which we all are waiting for. This one got me much view than that one, which is about 611, while the other one was 601 or so. But for the revenue I got from watch page that is on YouTube Premium, watch page that is the adverts, okay, that play on the video, 99.8% from the advert, and 0.2 from YouTube Premium. Okay, so how much advertisers pay for this video is low, which is €4.36, which is very, very low. And how much is YouTube going to give me, which is RPM 1.05, which is also low. So just 1.05 YouTube is going to give me, which is very, very low, if I am to say. Yeah, like I said before, like people get to watch this video from skippable ad, which is 57.3%, non-skippable ad 8.2%, display ads 14.4%, bumper ads 9%, and unknown. Okay, so this is how people get to how this video get to make its revenue. So finally, what we all are waiting for is the main cocoa, which is how much I got from this video. So from this video I got 64 cents, 0.64 cents, which is low, but the other one I got about 71 cents, which is higher, but his view was a little bit low. But I think a lot of people that watched that video came, the higher portion of it came from United States, while the lower of it came from Nigeria. Why this other one that we last talked about, a lot of them came from Nigeria. Nigeria was the highest, and that's why the revenue was low. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this revenue. Is it encouraging? For me, it is okay. I think as time goes on, as I get more views, I will get to make more money. So don't be discouraged if you're out there. Keep putting out videos, keep pushing out, because one day it's going to pay. The journey is going to pay, it's going to be fruitful, and you're going to make more money as you get more views. So hopefully I also get more views and make more money. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. Yeah, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Ciao.